So all of the equipment that you need for this is, I say equipment, is stuff that you'll have hanging around the house. Scissors, a pencil so you can draw around the shape of the table. Then I've just got a water spray which you're going to pop onto the table to help the plastic stick onto the surface of the actual table itself. And then you've got these two things that come in the application kit. So you've got a smoother that you just use to help get out all of the bubbles, and a scalpel as well so you can trim around the edges if you need to. A hairdryer, which I'll show you how we use that, just to help it curve around the edges. It makes it a bit more pliable. First of all, what we need to do is measure around the shape of the table. And whenever you're using DC Fix, you kind of need to make sure you've got an overhang so you can wrap it right around. So if you cut it too small, you're going to end up with edges that don't quite cover, and you know, it doesn't really look very professional. We want it to look nice and slick. And you just want to leave just over an inch as you're drawing around this, so you've got a little bit of wiggle room once you've wrapped it round. So now what you're going to do is just grab your scissors and we're going to start trimming it out so you've got the exact circle to work with. And then you can get rid of the roll as well so you haven't got that excess bulk hanging around. So just going to trim in like that. Sprigs of water. We're going to start pinning it back and sticking it on. You need to make sure once you're peeling it back that you've still got enough room on all of those edges. And this is where your smoother comes in. So you want to make sure you use the black side. That's just got like a felt covering on there, so it stops it. If you use the red side, you could get some little scratches. So just remember that's the side that goes in your hand. And then as you're sticking it down, you can use that smoother to just push any air bubbles towards the side. This is the fun bit now, so you can get the hairdryer out. And what this does, as we're going to apply some heat, because it's a curved surface, it just makes it a bit more pliable. You can almost watch the sticky back plastic change. It becomes a bit more stretchy, it has a bit more give to it. That is more of a bubble than a crease, so I'm just going to pop a little hole in that to let the air escape. So this bit on the bottom, you'll notice that there's all that excess. Obviously we're not going to leave that there, but the best thing to do, because it takes 24 hours for it to fully stick, is to just leave it and come back to it tomorrow. And then what I would do is just using the scalpel, I'd use probably about 1 centimetre overlap, and just leave that there where it's nice and smooth on the edges, and you can trim off all of this. You can put your tea or coffee on the top, it doesn't matter, it's heat resistant, so I can sit on the sofa, have a cup of tea, and just admire my handiwork.